Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to Google search line art of any image in Google. Let me show you how. Like for instance, you want to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, then come here, then come to your address bar right here. So it can be any types of image as the case may be. What we are interested here is that how you can find image of a line, how you can find line art of any images. So for that, let's say for instance, I'm looking at elephant right here as an example, elephants, and hit enter. It's going to give us a result right here, but the result we have here is not the exactly line art we are looking for. How do you get it? Go ahead and make sure you click on images right here. So under the images here, what you need to do here is to come to the top right here and begin to look for different uh, images right here. Go ahead and click on clip art. So under the clip art right here, you have different options. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on line art. Then you have everything right here as line art. This is another one right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different line art images right here. So you can use this method and look for any type of images line art in Google search. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.